This is Kuvi's SU7 super powerful cordless vacuum cleaner. Let me show you how awesome this thing is. I have received this to share with you, and I have so much to tell you. Let's get started. This is the vacuum cleaner box. You know what it looks like when you order it. This is what you want to get because it is super powerful. It has this canister that sucks all of the debris right in here. It is very easy to empty and take off. You just simply press this button and watch this. It releases into the garbage can by just pressing this button here. All of the debris falls in there. Don't even have to touch it. That is awesome. And watch all the extensions it has and all the great things you can do with it. I have found it to be super. Look at this base here. You can make this smaller and have a short piece, and you can even take it off and add multiple attachments. Let me show you all of the attachments. You have this one. That is a good, strong, straight suction for stairs or small spaces. You have an upholstery brush. Snaps on like this. You can get in crevices in your car, and you can also push it in and do fabric. So easy. This is a great piece. Easy on off. Here's your crevice attachment. Super powerful and strong with that focused suction, and it comes with a high-powered battery that you can put on the wall to charge, or just simply plug it in on a countertop. It comes with an extra filter and great instructions. Now let me show you how it works. Super powerful. When you want to use it, you just put the base post on and the attachment of your choice. I'm going to use the floor piece, the main piece, because it is super powerful. Now watch how it vacuums on this rug. When you're using it, you simply pull this trigger right here, on, off, and it gives you a display of how much battery has left and the mode that it's on. It automatically switches between modes, and you can adjust the fan up and down, and watch how it chooses to work. It will do beautiful vacuuming on this rug here, on this high pile carpet. It's going to get all of this here, and it goes around anything that you have with the 360-degree angle there. So powerful. Get some old dust there that who knows how long that's been there. Watch it completely remove this cracker. You can see it's pulling it towards it even before it approaches it. Super powerful, and it tells you just how much you have left. Now, I'm going to take you on a tour with me. We're going to go and see how it works on stairs and on tile. It works so great that I have found that I'm going to use this on both levels of my house and carry it up and down because it's just so great. Now watch it work on these stairs right here. You can see how easy it works. The suction brush is just the right size. Now I'm going to take it to my kitchen cabinets and show you how it works under that hard to reach toe hold area. This might be my favorite function of all because look how it works underneath here. So easy. I have found very few vacuums that will fit underneath here with such ease. And it also works on very high piled carpet like this, as well as wood floors and tile. This is a great piece. I highly recommend it. It was provided for me for my honest review, and I find it super easy to use. And the digital aspect is just a plus. I know that you will like this vacuum cleaner. I highly recommend it.